There are many microscope products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best microscopes from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Aneng Digital Clamp Meter, rating 4.4. Aneng Multimeter is a highly adaptable electronic tool that can be used to measure a wide range of electrical properties, including AC/DC voltage, current, resistance, continuity, diode, and live wire. This makes it an essential tool for anyone working with electronics or electrical systems, also widely used by hobbyists, students, and professionals in various fields, including engineering, automotive repair, and electricians. Aneng Multi-Tester have a clear and easy-to-read display screen that shows the measurement values, as well as various settings and modes that can be adjusted to suit different measurement tasks. This voltmeter makes it easy for users to quickly and accurately obtain the information they need. Number 4. Volt Digital TrueArms Clamp Meter, rating 4.7. All certified CAT IV600 CAT 3 1000V, measures 0 to 600 amps AC/DC and 0 to 1000 volts AC/DC over molded industrial design, enhances gripping, and allows the meter to withstand a 6.6 foot 2 meters drop. Patented tight sight display eliminates the need to bend or twist conductors, or place your head nearer in the panel, and allows you to easily read the bottom display when taking measurements. Built-in flashlight and dual backlit displays allow for safer, faster work in poorly lit environments. Provides true RMS AC voltage and current for accurate measurements on non-linear signals. Number 3. Ideal 61 to 744 Clamp Meter, rating 4.7. Non-contact voltage indicator, 70 to 600 VAC, clamp meter with tapered jaws and hook tip. Features a compact jaw designed for reaching into tight spaces. AC/DC capabilities. Clamp meter measures AC/DC voltage, resistance, continuity, and measures 600 amps AC current. Auto manual ranging and data hold. Auto shut off. Convenient low battery indicator and auto power off, so that you can ensure your clamp meter is always charged and ready to use. To extend the life of your battery, the meter shuts off after approximately 10 minutes of non-use. Number 2. Ideal Electrical Clamp Meter, rating 4.7. True RMS provides accurate readings of non-sinusoidal load currents and noisy electrical circuits. Beeps and lights when 30 VAC/DC voltage is present. CAT 3 1000 volt. CAT IV 600 volt safety rating. Easy to read backlit display with large numbers and icons, so you can always see the correct reading. Selectable audible and visual alerts when potentially hazardous voltages are detected at the probe terminals. Patented second tight sight display located at the bottom of meter. Lets you easily take readings, while keeping your head at a safe distance from the panel. No more need to twist the meter, or risk pulling on an energized conductor. Number 1. Andenstar Digital Microscope, rating 4.7. Ultra High Definition 2160p video record, 7-inch IPS screen while supporting HDMI output. Microscope screen and HDMI screen can display simultaneously that allows you to see a more microscopic world and free your eyes all the time. The microscope stand can move backward and forward, providing enough soldering working space, suitable for high-temperature environments such as soldering. The UV filter is equipped in front of the metal lens to block soldering heat, smoke, and dust to protect the lens, which is very suitable for soldering and maintenance professionals. Easy to rotate the metal focusing wheel to focus, and rotate the bracket knob to fine-tune the working distance. Quickly access the wonderful micro world. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you, so subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.